Club ISIS, and I'm with Josh with Blue Danube, and he's the lead designer.
I'm the director of event architecture.
Oh, excuse me. Okay. So what's the theme tonight?
Tonight's theme is Cloudburst.
So tell us, let's walk through it very slowly and backwards and tell me about it. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go. So first thing we did was a facade with video projection and atomic panels. We wanted to immediately draw your eye to what's going on and get you to ask a lot of questions. What's in here? And not only did we get you to ask what is in here, but then we blocked the view. So you'd have to go in here to see what's going on.
Mystery, baby. Mystery. It's like one of those clubs that has nobody in it, except for there's people in it, though.
I've never been to a club with nobody in it. I'm sure that's terrible. This club's got plenty of people in it. But no, it's all about building theatricality, because if you don't know what's going on, then you have to know more. So
it's like kind of like a maze. It's kind of exciting. And what person are we going to meet around the next corner? It's kind of exciting.
Right. You don't know what you're going to see next, so you have to keep going just a little bit farther to see what's next. So we built a baffle with the help of our friends from Atomic Design. And it's two of their new Superwall products, which I've not got to use until this event, and I'm very excited. We've changed it every night because they've been so helpful and so kind.
Awesome. Well, let's take a trip around another corner here. Oh, ho, 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 what is this?
So these are some other friends of ours from Animate Objects. They're a great group for when you need talent for your event. Earlier today, they had people passing out keys for a bottle of champagne we're going to give out tomorrow night if you come back and your key opens it up. People keep asking, can we try it? And no, you got to try it tomorrow night. That's the rules. I got to make the rules, so I just made some. But welcome.
Let's walk in a little bit. Okay, tell us what we're looking at here.
So now that we've passed through the baffle and we've seen some entertainment, we've got a little bit of soft seating. And we've got a lot of ambience, lighting, video, decor, soft goods, hard goods. It's really about creating a place where you can hang out and you can relax. And if you want to hang out and have a party, we've got a dance floor. If you want to hang out and chat, we've got some soft seating a little bit away from the music. If you need to get your drink on, we've got top shelf alcohol for you and a great signature cocktail that changes every night.